welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have a very beginner friendly video for you guys. This is my first time ever installing a unit on myself. This wig is brought to you today by True Elegance. I think I did a pretty okay job for the first time. If you would like to see all of my mistakes, because I did make some, and all of the things that I did to install this unit, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post the video. And without further ado, boo. You can't tell me nothing. You can't walk up to me and tell me, Nashida, you in my business. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Only you.
Let's get into it.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Do. You.
Okay, friends, here we have the unit, the wig. It comes in the packaging with the logo, True Elegance. It also comes in a plastic, but when you purchase a wig, you get a pair of lashes. We'll get to that a little bit later, but the wig comes in a plastic. It comes with the netting, it comes with the foam inside, and it also has her tag logo on it as well. You know, all the stuff that comes with a wig. Here I have it out the package. I'm just showing you straight out the package how it looks. Pretty standard. It's very soft, I can tell you that much. It is very soft. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the temples and 1 in the back. I hate the one in the back. And there's also straps to make it feel more secure. The comb in the back is a personal preference. I hate it. It hurts. You can't tell me different. It hurts. So yeah, here's the wig. Okay, friends, so here I'm just showing you what the unit looks like. Freshly washed, damp curls, so beautiful. I have also added, I didn't think I show you guys in the clips, I added some highlights just using the bleach. I bleached a couple knots in the front. Mistake 1,000,001, but I made it do. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Freshly washed. Over bleach. But I promise you I didn't. It's not as orange in person. But yeah, I finished plucking. Probably over pluck a little bit too much here, but we'll make it work.
2 hours later.
Okay, friends. As you can see, I did my makeup. But this is okay. This is Janet. Give me a name for her. But this is what we're gonna put on now. This is my first time ever putting on a wig by myself. So I know I have to get T-pins. I think they're called T-pins because I use needles because that's what I have.
In my business, don't do that.
And I also use bobby pin. Don't do that. There's combs, but I hate combs, so let's see. I braided my hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very, very loosely, and then I put some foam. And that is it, guys. Did I do good? Did I make a ton of mistakes? Tell me where I can improve on for my next install. I want to do a straight bob, I think it's called. A straight wig bob. I would like to try that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments how you think I did, and if you enjoy seeing videos like this, and what video you like to see from me next. I thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell. Yeah. And I'll see you on the next one. Remember, you are enough. You are beautiful. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Peace.
only you. Ooh, yeah, yeah.